Hello guys. Today's video is on the top 5 best garden carts to buy in 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. Don't skip any single of frame. Watch till the end. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. The Sandusky Lee CW3418 is a steel garden wagon with a load capacity of 400 pounds. This handy cart comes with folding and removable sides that make it possible to use it as a flatbed to transport loads with odd shapes. The steel mesh on this crate is rust resistant, and the manufacturer gives it a powder-coated finish for extra durability. This wagon comes with a steel handle that has a comfortable D-style grip that makes it easy to push or pull without using a lot of strength. It has 4 pneumatic rubber tires with a diameter of 10 inches that make it the best garden cart for rolling both on indoor and outdoor terrains. Best Choice Products makes this dump cart with a steel and heavy-duty polycarbonate frame to make it very durable. It can haul up to 650 pounds, and so it can handle most of the hauling jobs in the garden with ease. The dump design saves a lot of time, and it makes unloading very easy. To unload the supplies on the wagon, you will only need to remove the locks and tip the bed. This garden cart comes with some 4 wheels with 10-inch turf rubber tires that can roll on most outdoor terrains and all indoor floor types. The multifunctional design of this wagon means that you can tilt and move it on 2 wheels or leave it flat so that it can roll on all the 4 wheels. This utility cart by Gorilla Carts has an impressive load capacity of 1,000 pounds, which makes it ideal for heavy hauling in the garden. The 49-inch length and 24.5-inch width make this cart very spacious, and it can accommodate a lot of things at the same time. And it has 13-inch pneumatic tires that will roll on all terrain. This garden cart has a straightforward heavy-duty steel frame design, which makes assembly very easy. Also, the steel structure improves its maneuverability and rigidity, while also giving it more ground clearance. The mesh sides are removable, and so you can use it to haul large and odd-shaped loads. It has a 2-in-1 padded handle that you can use to tow or pull it, and it has a dumping feature that will make unloading almost effortless. This Timberridge folding cart requires no assembly, and it can unfold and fold in a few seconds to save you a lot of time and effort. It has a sturdy steel frame that makes it very durable and gives it the ability to haul up to 150 pounds. The oversized wheels make it more stable and comfortable to pull. Timberridge gives it a unique telescoping handle that ensures easy control regardless of the terrain. The polyester fabric, 600D, is easy to clean and is also very durable. You can fold this cart into a carry bag so that it can take less space and to make it easy to carry. Gorilla Carts make some of the best yard carts on the market, and so you can always trust them to have something to help you with your gardening. This steel utility cart lives up to the expectations as it is not only durable, but can help you haul up to 800 pounds of load. Its dimensions are 38 by 21 inches, and it has a mesh bed and sides. The frame is easy to assemble, and it should only take you a few minutes, and the mesh sides are removable to offer you more versatility when moving large loads. Also, it has some 4 10-inch rubber tires that can roll on any surface. Lastly, the wagon comes with a padded handle that makes pulling easy, and the company backs it with a 1-year limited warranty.